Right, assalamualaikum everyone. So welcome back to the SHIB update today. Do you want Adam to kill a zero for SHIB? Do you want me to kill 1-0 or maybe 2-0, but 1-0? I'm gonna actually kill zero this time around. Do you want me to do that? Yes? So make sure you're subscribing this channel if you're new, and do make sure that you do that because you may never see this channel again. So if you want these regular updates, I'm actually going to drop some bangers of SHIB in the next coming few days because SHIB has broken the shackles. All right. And I want to show you what I'm talking about when we say that we have broken the shackles. So SHIB up until 3920, up until this area, we didn't have any other resistance because previous resistance was this one right over here, that right over there, and we actually saw SHIB actually breaking that shackle. So if we bring this trend line just a little bit higher right there, and I show you the history of SHIB back in 2021, so you may actually notice that this is where we had consolidation, move down, a fake out, move down, a resistance here, rejection, and a move to the downside. But now on this current time, SHIB has said that, hey, you know what, I'm actually going to break above, and as far as I'm concerned, SHIB is pretty strong at the moment. I think SHIB is very, very, very strong right now. And yes, we do have a start, or maybe I will say a beginning of a bull cross, and you have the bull cross here. So we do have an opportunity for maybe a sideways movement until the EMAs don't come up and touch it and then continue to move to the upside. So maybe it could take some few days before SHIB doesn't go. And where do you go from here actually? So let's talk about that. Now that you've actually broken the shackles, you have this one very big resistance that you're breaking above. I think SHIB is ready to go. And by the way, I gave you a 4400 target and that's actually met. And this is going to be up to 6308, but I'm interested to take out the all-time high and finally kill the zero. And I'm going to probably push SHIB even higher somewhere down in the future. Now, that's all for the SHIB video. What I want to talk about, if you know a coin, you can actually close this video. But if you need a coin that is still down, which is equivalent of buying SHIB when it was down here before this pump, I do have one, but I want to show you why is that important. So here's the reason why. Because we use chart reading and logic, educational guess. Okay, so this is Pepe, okay, accumulation and a breakup. This is ICP, accumulation with a break. This is Bonk, accumulation with a break, and Dogecoin, accumulation, break. Your SHIB, lovely SHIB here, accumulation and a break. And this is your next coin, which has accumulation, which waits a break. I don't know when it's going to happen, but imagine if it does break, you probably have good chances with this coin at the moment, right? So in order to get the name for free, just scroll down, click on Discord. It's going to take 10 seconds. Click on announcement and click on my name and just message me, okay? So this hardly takes 1 minute to do so. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.